Hello roomies, welcome to the DIY Sleeping Quarters, where we share all of our DIY projects for our home share. Today we will discuss how to find an image for a paint and sip. When looking for inspiration, I always start with Pinterest. If you're not familiar with Pinterest, it is a platform that allows individuals to share interests and ideas visually. I created a paint and sip board with images I thought would be easy to trace or transfer to a canvas. I will include this board in the description. So basically, here are some of those images that I saved to my Pinterest board. Again, they're all fairly simple or easy to trace or transfer. And note, I am not the artist of these images, nor do I claim to be, nor do I own a paint and sip business. I use the images for family and friend bonding activities. So here's one of my events I had at my home with family and friends. Now, if you're wondering, how do I get these images on paper? It's simple. All you do is open up Microsoft Word on your computer or laptop, copy and paste the images, and maybe use the crop tool if needed to format and print the image, and then print the image. It's nothing to it. Fairly simple. Again, I don't own these images, so I will include a separate video discussing copyrights. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on any videos related to this series.
Good stuff.
As always, thanks for watching.